Hi guys, myself Ankit. In this video, we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Find the difference. So given two strings S and T, string T is generated by random shuffling of S and add one more letter at a random position. So return the letter that was added to T. So given the question, there are two strings and S has made up of some characters and T is made up of the characters from the S only, but they are in the shuffled format. And also one more letter is added at some random position in the tree, and we have to identify which that one more extra letter has been added to the T, and we have to return the answer. So the normal brute force approach, if you think we can arrange the letters in the ascending order and do it, but that will take more time. So without doing any sorting function or anything, how do we solve the problem? So as you know, in Java we have hash map and in C++ we have ordered or unordered map. So we'll use this map concept over here. So for the mapping, first we need to insert all the characters in the string T and all the values, how many times it appears, we'll increment the value to 1 or 2. So given the question A, B, C, D, so this is string S and other will be A, B, C, D, E. So in the both the strings, A is present, B is present, C is present, D is present. The extra string one which is present is E. Fine. So first we will create a hash map or map. So and map we will add all the characters and their values as the number of times it's appearing in the string. So first A is not present in hash map, so A and it's appearing once. Then B is not present in hash map, so B appearing once. C is not present, C appearing once. D is not present, D appearing once. Then E is also not present, E appearing once. So now we have the characters and their values. How many times it occurs in a string. And why are we inserting the elements of the string T to the hash map? So here comes into the logic. So as you know, T has one letter extra from the S. So that if we add all the letters and their values into the hash map from T, then you iterate in the string S, and whatever A is present, then decrease the A value by 1, so that will become 0. Then again move to B, decrease the value by 1, it will become 0 again. Then move to C, C is present in hash map and the value will be decremented by 1, it will 0. So last D, so its value also will be decremented by 1. So now you could see the one extra letter which is present in the D, it will remain as value with 1 only. So that extra letter will have the value 1, and apart from that all the letters will become 0 because as the letters present in T they get cancelled by the S. So increment when we are finding the letters in T and increment when we are finding the letters in S, but that one extra letter which is not present in S will remain as such. So we shall return the answer E as the answer. So again iterate to the hash map now. So check the values for all the key. So check the values for all the key. If it is equal to 1, then just return that particular key. That is what the problem is. So I'll program it in both C++ and I'll explain the Java also. So first we need to create a map. So let's create a map. Let it be ordered or unordered map. So I'll use unordered map. So okay. Now we have to iterate to the string t and all the keys and values, respective keys and values should be added. So for int, okay, for each character in t, so map of this character will be incremented. So with this, what will happen? We will have all the values set to 1, A, B, C, D, E values set to 1. Next now again iterate to S. For each character C in S, this case we have to decrement the value, map of C minus minus. So after these two loops, what will be the condition instance? So we will have all the keys with the values set to 0 except the one which is not present in the S, the letter which is not present in the S. Now we have to iterate over the map. So I'll use auto keyword, iterate through the map. Check if that particular pair not first. If it is okay, you have to check for the value, right? So id dot second, if it is equal to 1, then what do we need to return? Id dot first. So in the key value pair, each pair you check whether the value id dot second means the value. If it is equal to 1, just return the key, that is id dot first. So that is the answer. And if there is no such extra thing present, here they have told there will be one more letter added to the random position. If there is no one more letter added to the random position, put in the return type is character. So we will return a null character. Fine. So run this. Yeah. So I'll show the Java code also. So we will be using a hash map, type character comma integer, and then each to iterate over the string you have to convert the string to the array of characters. So we use t dot character array function. So each character in the character array you put that value into the hash map. The particular key will be added and character dot count of get or default means if the value is already present, then you use the get function. In that get function, you take the value and increment the value by 1. If it is not present, then defaultly you will assign the value c comma 0, then increment it by 1. So whatever it means, since you are initializing it with 0, yeah, it has to be incremented by 1. That is what you do. But in the next loop, when you iterate over s, instead of incrementing, you have to decrement the value by 1. Same thing. So after this, again iterate over the map. So each map entry in the map set, you get the value first. You check whether the value is equal to 1. If you value is equal to 1, then you get the key of that particular entry and return the answer. If there is no such extra letter in T, then you just return the null character. So we should submit this also. Yeah, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with another video in next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.